On today's body cam, we're checking out enraged ex attacks boyfriend in hotel lobby, ends badly.
On October 30th, 2025, officers responded to a hotel after reports of a domestic dispute between a man and his ex-girlfriend.
Hey, can you let him go? What's going on? Hey, just let him go, okay?
Don't touch me.
Let him go.
All right, just don't do nothing. Just
Let him go.
let him go. Let him go.
You got my hair so cool. Let me go.
Let him go. He's not doing nothing to you. Let him go. Let him go.
Stop touching me.
Let him go.
I hate you.
Just let him go.
Don't watch out.
Y'all see?
Yeah, I'm trying to help you out.
If you pull my ass, I'll pull my out, bro.
This taser.
Yeah, sorry.
Bro, you about to break
Hey,
my
let him
fucking
let
arm.
go of his hand. Let go. There you go. You right, man? Turn on. Stop resisting. Stop. Get down.
Wow.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop moving.
Come on. I can't breathe.
Give us a second. You're all right.
Oh, cut that stuff out, man. Gotta come up with something different.
Come on, y'all. I cannot breathe. Can you get me out the jacket? I'm telling y'all I can't breathe. Y'all ass tweaking.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm telling you I can't breathe.
Now stand up.
You know, my head is...
Okay. This way. We'll get some fresh air, all right?
Oh, shit. Hold on. I feel like I'm about to fall.
You're okay.
Yeah.
I got you, okay?
Oh, shit. I need to sit down.
You want to sit down right here on this wall right here?
Yeah, I need to sit down.
Okay. All right, have a seat for me. Okay. All right, what's your name? I'm Officer Torres, okay? I'm going to help you out, okay?
She was just beating the brakes off this dude, and now with that same outfit on, she complaining about the jacket. The jacket is perfectly fine, but now all of a sudden, since you arrested, now you can't breathe and the jacket is tight.
What, can you tell me a little bit what happened?
He was supposed to be dropping the baby milk.
Okay. Does he live here?
He was supposed to be dropping the baby milk.
Okay.
We just did some weird shit.
Okay.
He smuggled me. And we got to fight.
Okay.
I can't breathe.
Fighting how?
Fighting, like, you know how somebody fight.
Okay. And then what happened after that?
We got to fight.
Okay.
The guys pulled up, and that's it. Like,
You guys fought in the lobby? Okay.
yeah.
Did he, where,
That was it.
He hit you?
Yeah.
Where did he hit you?
In my face.
Okay.
Was it a closed fist, open hand?
Close fist.
Close fist, okay.
Man, if a man hit you closed fist, you better have some lumps, cause
Like a punch?
Yes.
You see
Okay.
See, Carter, I don't know. Carter, so I can talk to him.
Okay, listen. So,
They said that he can't. So
He can't what?
say he want to know can he take cat, but they saying no.
No, he not touch my baby. Let me talk to him.
so listen. All right. There's some questions I gotta ask you first, but I want to read your manner warnings first, okay? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So listen. We just want to get the story straight, okay? You said you were supposed to drop off the milk off, right?
Right.
Okay. You came in here, and then what happened after that?
We got the fight.
Okay. He hit you, right? Where did he hit you? In the face?
In my face.
Okay. And then what happened after that?
He got, bro, why do y'all keep asking me the same questions I just told y'all?
Okay.
What do y'all want me to say? The
Okay,
story not gonna change.
Just be honest.
I'm being honest. We got to fight it. Like, what else do you want me to say? There's
Okay.
nothing else to the story. You want to read? You want to look at the terms? I'm pretty sure they'll show you.
Okay.
Like, damn, y'all keep asking me the same shit. Like, what
right.
y'all want me to say?
Okay.
Like, ain't shit changing. Nothing's
What's your
changing.
name? What's your name?
My name is Heaven.
Okay. So it looks like mom's gonna come get the babies, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can y'all fix this on my wrist?
Okay. All right. You mind standing real quick? We'll check on them real quick. What happened? You guys got fighting in the lobby?
No, she got to fight me. I didn't get to fight anybody. I was defending myself. So all that, nothing. So what's gonna happen? I don't even go through shit like this.
Okay.
Not to you.
All right. Just give me a second, okay? We're just trying to get the story straight. Obviously, there's two sides to the story. We're just trying to see what happened. Okay.
I told y'all what happened 1,000 times. So y'all got y'all seen what the hell was going on. So there ain't even so much to say. But I know I need to leave work.
Well, we're trying to figure out what happened prior to us.
Nothing. Like y'all seen everything, bro. Like it's stuff.
I don't know what happened before.
Nate,
She had you on the hair.
Okay.
what's going on?
Give me a second. Stay with us.
I don't know, huh? I don't know if they gonna take. I don't know if they.
I don't understand why people are so difficult when it comes down. You're the victim. You're the victim. Just tell them what happened. You know what I'm saying? Not, oh, you seen what happened. You already. No, clearly there was things that led up to that. Give us the rundown. Give us the story. We just got here at the tail end. That part right there is the ending of it.
Yeah.
Why ain't he being handcuffed?
They're checking out his side of the story on there. So
But
we got
y'all
your
still don't have him handcuffed though.
I don't know if he's handcuffed or not.
Exactly, but y'all sitting up with me handcuffed and don't have him handcuffed. And I want to fight myself.
When we came in, you were
And but I wasn't fighting myself. I was defending myself. Of course, y'all gonna walk in on me defending myself. So
we only know what we saw.
All right, whatever. What y'all finna do, bro? What y'all finna do?
That's what we're figuring out right now, okay? So my partner's gonna let me know what's gonna happen, okay? He's gonna let you know.
What do you think? Yeah.
I mean, she's definitely the aggressor at the start. Okay. And they both go at it for a while. Definitely run over about
Okay.
Oh, that'd
So
be fine.
I'm gonna take her.
Okay.
She was at the aggressor at this point. Okay. What I looked at it is he's trying to get off of her.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
And you can say that he was definitely engaged. Yeah, he did punch her. And then, but after a while at the end there,
Okay.
you know, they were both getting in.
Okay.
She definitely engaged it.
We'll take both. Yeah, they were both going at it.
Yeah.
Come on, man. Take her, man. Who started it? Somebody started it. And the other person is defending. That's how every fight is. Someone started it.
What's that?
I think she started it, but they don't just want to take her only. They're going to take him too.
Okay.
Like, that's weird as y'all weird as hell.
Okay, so we're gonna put you in the back of the squad car, okay?
Y'all weird as hell. That's weird. Now at least get water.
We're gonna get you some water.
Because I already feel like I can't breathe, bro.
Have a seat.
Yeah, just have a seat, okay?
I'll sit down.
Watch your head. Watch your head.
14 him too.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go up.
Okay.
You need the outdoor?
Yeah, we're gonna do let me know with him as well. Okay, we're taking both on this.
Okay, she's got both my cuffs, so.
Oh, she does? Okay.
So.
Okay. Okay, sounds good. So at this point, you're gonna come with us. Okay, so just put your hands behind your back. Don't resist. Don't resist. Okay, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest. You're under arrest. Behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Can I give him the key real quick?
I'll get him. I'll get him for you, okay? I'll get him for you.
Hey, Nate, wait till you go up there real quick.
What pocket is you?
I think they had this other jacket. That's what I'm trying to. Can I tell you where it's at, y'all? Yeah.
We're gonna
Check all your pockets anyway.
God
Hey,
damn.
man, I need you to get my phone from me. I need my ass pump stuff. I need that.
Okay.
I need that. What get locked up for? Like, what's going on?
Domestic battery.
Domestic battery.
Domestic battery.
And somebody touched me first?
Yeah. You guys both were going at it.
And I'm getting locked up because somebody hit me first and I'm defending myself?
Yep.
Can I get my ass pump?
Yeah, that, I don't.
All your property.
I don't agree with that. Come on, somebody. I don't like that at all. Because if she's the aggressor, one person is the aggressor. The other person is defending themselves. Man, she popped off on them first.
Yeah, everything's coming with you.
Like you put it in like right now on my.
No, we'll carry it. We'll carry this. Okay.
My asthma pump, my medicine that I need to bring.
Yeah, it stays with us, which goes with you.
Which will go with
We'll
you
bring it with.
to the police department.
So what's gonna go on now?
So listen, man. So obviously we'll go. I'll explain everything to you. Okay. We're going to the station.
This
Ask you some serious questions. Call the state's attorney, and that's where we're at right about now. Okay.
And then what's the process gonna be off and have to sit? Like what's going on?
But it all depends on the state's attorney's office. Okay. It all depends on what they say.
I'm trying to figure what I'm getting locked up like I was arrested. Like
You got stuff in the back?
Definitely saw what we saw.
Yes. No.
right, but
Yeah.
was I aggressive in the damn video?
Yeah.
Because you're arrested doesn't mean you're going to be charged. We got a screen to pass the state's attorney.
Y'all fix these stuff, bro.
What's that?
Y'all fix these.
That's it. That's fine, dude. Just have a seat. Watch your head.
Oh, yes, speaking.
All right. So we got all your property, everything like that. Like I said, we're going on the station. Like I said, we're running through the state's attorney, see what's going on. Okay.
So y'all can do that right here.
What's that?
We have to go in the booking process.
Okay.
Charges related to domestic battery were declined, and the woman was instead charged with resisting arrest, while the man was released without charges. Let me know your thoughts.